Dr. Deb, you shared this number of uh, $225 per kilowatt hour, right? And we
Yeah.
keep on hearing actually a very different number, $120. It has come down to $120. Soon it will be at $100. And um, so what's the gap between these two numbers, and what brings it down? What will bring it down faster?
You see, it has not come down to 100 or 125. The people are projecting, the industry is projecting, or more than projecting, it is a wish list that there is a study done in US which shows that if it comes down to $100, then the price parity is there between IC and electric vehicle. So that is where it all started. And also we have to see the trend. 10 years ago, 2010, the price was $1,200 per kilowatt hours. From 1,200, it has come down to at a level of 225, 250. That is where currently the industry is. But there are projections looking at. You see, I showed you the battery capacities being put globally. We're going to have 3,000 gigawatt hours. So that is going to feed these roughly about 20 to 30 million vehicles that they intend to produce. So once the scale comes, the prices drop. I know it's quite normal, and we have seen it in every other industry. Imagine or go back 3 decades, and the cost of laptop used to be somewhere around 2 lakh rupees, and so today desktop and laptop there is no price difference. Same with cell phones. Any industry, once that inflection comes, so the prices drop rapidly. So I do see that the price point of 150 should be achievable in next 3 to 5 years time. In India, the PLI scheme of government is expected next week. Let's see what do they come up with. But looking at the way the feelers are coming, the companies are making these announcements. Reliance announced, and once Reliance comes into something, then it's going to be massive. So, and they will drive down the prices. So, the cell manufacturing has to happen in India. B, the scale at a particular level has to come. I don't know whether it is 1 gigawatt hour or 10 gigawatt hour, but I guess once the cell manufacturing starts, and with Adani, Ambani, and Tata, and several other big corporates getting into it, I do see that scale of 10 gigawatt hours should be reachable in next 3 to 5 years. And when that happens, this will do two things. One is it will drive down the price. It will also create pull on the OEMs to shift to electric. Today, I don't know. Maruti is coming up with various statements and all, but one of the key reason OEMs are not shifting to EV is non-availability of batteries in India, and that is a valid point. So once you have the battery manufacturers, it is going to be a reverse pull, not from the OEM to the component side. It is from the component side to OEM. It will ask the OEMs to come and shift to the electric vehicles. So this is where we will see a large shift. My guess is 5 years.